Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Okay, today we are going to um, brief regarding the our project final DevHack. So our project title name is DeliBot and our group is Rhapsody. So let's move on to the introduction part. So we actually invent and develop a robotic system with the capability to follow lines and aiming to transport goods to predetermined destination in a given environment. So nowadays, world world right now is evolving with the automation revolution that involve with that to meet the logistics industry. So right now we are using the advanced sensors and real-time adaptability system that can hold with any type of situations. So let's move on to the next slide, which is functionality. So our title or project has the precision navigations that will provide accurate line following for reliable item delivery. This is important that to ensure that our item could be delivered with efficiency and very smooth. So the second things, we actually have the autonomous operation. So this is to ensure that we could minimize as much as possible the human intervention. This is due that we know that human intervention could delay some kind of stuff that could affect the due date of some item to be delivered. So the next point is item payload. So this is to ensure that when we put item on that our project, which is robotic, so the item could be delivered in very securely and very efficiently. So the next point is real-time adaptability. So this is to ensure that when the line that we adapt for the robots, it could detect the obstacle in real time and real life situation. So the next point is efficiency and speed. So this is to ensure that we could deliver an item within a predefined routes that have been determined by the user. So the next point is safety measures. So this is to ensure that we can avoid some obstacles and avoidance during the delivery item. So our next slide is the user interface. So the functionality itself, it has an integrated sensors, which is it utilizes a combination of sensors to track and follow the designated path and flow of the road. So the next user interface points is item delivery process. Our robot has the safe cargo that can securing the item to not fall during the transportation process. So the next point is real-time adaptability. So this is to ensure that the ability to detect line deviations and obstacles when we are sending the item from one place to another. So the next item is point is item delivery process. So it has the user-friendly interface, which is we use the controller for remote controller, or even we have the mobile phone apps that can be easily controlled by the human itself. So the next slide is the safety features of the robots or our inventions. So our first is obstacle detections. It prevents collisions by sensing and avoiding any hazards in its route. The next safety features, we have the emergency stop. So these safety features, it actually can be activated instantly in the event of the emergency. So the next point is item securing. So it has the locking device to keep contents safe in transit and prevents loss or damage. So unintended people can't easily access the item inside that particular cargo. So next we have the user override, which is a user have the option to manually intervene and take control away from the autonomous system if they during the transportation progress. So we can suddenly press the stop button if unexpected situation occurs. So the next we have the compatibility. So the robot itself has maybe easily adapted to fit a wide variety of payload types and transport circumstances. So next I will pass to my team member to discuss the further issue.
Hi everyone. We are going to talk about the compatibility of the robot. First thing first, the design of this robot is a modular and versatile as it is capable of commuting a large amount of freights at a single time. And then also, we don't want any issues to be happen at the robot while transporting the goods. Then, moreover, it's compatible with wide array of robot chassis and platforms. And to give more weight to our robots, it is also customizable to suit operational needs. We feel like this is because it could make the maintainability of the robot very easy. It eases the maintainability of the robot and give ways to suit different needs and requirements by different industries. So next slide, please. And yes, of course, to catch the eye of our potential investors and clients, we are going to make the robot cost effective, easy to scale, fully customizable with respect to their budgets and requirements. Next slide, please. All in all, our future plans would be to cater a large market and improve livelihood of the humans. And to do so, we are planning to enhance the payload capacity, integrating AI and machine learning to navigate through an online road. As you know, different parts of like countries will have like certain of the road will have lines, certain of the other roads won't have line due to the aging. So as time goes by, corrosion happens, and then the line will eventually erase away. So yeah, we are going to do that to navigate through an online road, and also we are going to increase the range as well as allowing multi-robot coordination so that more features could be added in. For example, receiving freights from the customer, because as of now we are planning to just send the freights to the customer, and our future plan will be to receive the freights from the customer and deliver it to the sorting center. So yeah, next slide. That is all for today. With that being said, we are at the end of our presentation. I would like to thank you very much for listening to our project pitching. Thank you very much.